फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and welcome back to Cricket Next. मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर and Chennai Super Kings have suffered a defeat against Gujarat Titans by 35 runs. Gujarat Titans ने उन्हें 35 रन से मात दे दी है अहमदाबाद में अपने घर में. But we have to talk about one man and that he's on our screens. Mahendra Singh Dhoni once again, entertaining the crowd with his late surge. दो छक्के लगाए आखिरी ओवर में राशिद खान को, लेकिन उनकी जो नॉक थी वो ज़्यादा हेल्प कर नहीं पाई चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स को, बिकॉज दे वर चेजिंग 232 in 20 overs. Didn't really get a good start. 26 of 11 is what MS scored. He remained unbeaten, scored 3 sixes in total and a 4. लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत सारी बातें हैं करने के लिए इस मैच से. The other man on our screens, Moeen Ali. He was terrific today. He was in a different form. He scored 56 of just 36 deliveries, scored 4 4s and as many sixes. Apart from him, he had a brilliant partnership with Daryl Mitchell as well, because Chennai Super Kings की जो start थी वो बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी. They lost 3 early wickets. They were टॉटरिंग एट 10 for 3, बट उसके बाद डैरिल मिचेल और मोइन अली ने एक बेहतरीन पार्टनरशिप करी ऑफ 109 रन. 119 पे जाके चौथी विकेट गिरी व्हेन डैरिल मिचेल ट्राइड टू टेक ऑन मोहित शर्मा. ही वाज कॉट बाय शाहरुख खान. उसके कुछ टाइम के बाद ही मोइन अली भी वापस पवेलियन में चले गए. ही वाज अगेन कॉट इन द डीप. अ ब्रिलियंट कैच फ्रॉम नूर अहमद of Mohit Sharma. He was, as I said, he was out for 56. I'll quickly read out the scorecard for Chennai Super Kings, as they were restricted to 196 for 8. Rahane, who opened the innings with Rachin Ravindra also came back into the 11 for this game. Rahane scored 1 of 5. Rachin Ravindra being unlucky there. He was run out by David Miller of a direct hit at the striker's end while trying to steal a single. It was a tight single though, for 1 of 2. Rituraj Gaikwad, who has been in terrific form, the skipper, he got out for a duck of 3 deliveries, but Daryl Mitchell and Moeen Ali tried to hold the innings together. Mitchell scored 63 of 34, Moeen Ali 56 of 36. Shivam Dube again, after a couple of disappointing outings, so to say. He got a couple of ducks, first ball ducks rather, in his 2 outings earlier. He also got some runs under his kitty. 21 of 13 he scored. Ravindra Jadeja 18 of 10. MS Dhoni 26 not out of 11. Mitchell Santner was out by Rashid Khan. He was cleaned up by Rashid for 0 of just 2 deliveries. Shardul remained not out for 3 of 4, but that couldn't really help the cause for Chennai Super Kings. So, talking about the bowling bit, Umesh Yadav 3 overs, 20 runs, 1 wicket. He was pretty economical. Sandeep Warrior again, 3 overs, 28 runs, 1 wicket. Kartik Tyagi went for a lot of runs, 51. He gave away of 4 of his 4 overs. Noor Ahmed was hit for some runs. Also, he gave away 25 in 2. Rashid Khan 4 overs, 38, but 2 wickets. Mohit Sharma again, he's back in some good touch. He got a couple of he got rather 3 wickets there, and he returned with figures of 4 overs, 31 runs, and 3 wickets. It was Rahul Tewatia who was leading the side as a stand-in captain. Shubman Gill wasn't there on the field. But talking about Shubman Gill and Sai Sudarshan, his opening partner, they were on song today. They were just brilliant. Both of them scored both of them scored the individual hundreds for the side. And what a start, what a record-breaking start that was from the 2 champion players. Shubman scored 104 of 55. Sai Sudarshan 103 of 51. David Miller 16 of 11. He remained not out. Shahrukh Khan got out on the last ball, 2 of 3 he scored. But the kind of setup that was laid by Shubman and Sai Sudarshan in this particular game was just brilliant. They helped the side to post 231 for 3 in 20 overs. They staged a stand of 210 for the first wicket. Mitchell Santner gave away 31 in 2. Tushar Deshpande 33 in 4. He picked up 2 wickets though. Thakur, he was pretty good. He just gave away 25 in his 4. Simajit 60 in his quota of 4 overs. So two youngsters have been very very expensive to away. Kartik Tyagi for GT, Simarjeet for CSK. He was taken on by the two batters. Rachin Ravindra also was hit for 29 of 2. Apart from Daryl Mitchell came in to bowl, he gave away 52 in 4 overs. So uh, batter's day out, so to say, in Ahmedabad. Chennai almost got to the 200 mark. Shubman Gill's side scored a record-breaking 231. There were n number of records that were broken during that innings. So they're on a good track. I won't say they're on a good track, but they have somewhere down the line they have found their form, and they would like to continue like this in the remaining matches. वहीं चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के लिए भी थोड़ी सी चीज़ें अब ट्रिकी होती जा रही हैं. They're losing important games. They lost a couple of games out of the 3 they played in Chennai before traveling to Dharamshala to take on Punjab Kings. Then they lost to Punjab Kings. Now they have lost to Gujarat Titans in Ahmedabad. So the things are getting a bit tricky for them. This is hope they get back to the winning ways. They get back into that groove and give their fans something to cheer about. Well, that's it from this update now. But you keep following us on our social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and do subscribe to our Cricket Next YouTube channel. क्योंकि cricket मतलब cricket next.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.